Exam Dost, success का host, सैनिक नवोदय में topmost.
Question number 51. 0.238 is equal to the fraction. So first of all, 0.238, it has 3 decimal places, and since it has 3 decimal places, you remove the decimal place, and in the denominator after 1 place 3 zeros. Now we will convert this to the lowest term. We will divide this by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So I get 119 in the numerator, and 2 5s are 10, and we place 2 zeros. So 500 is our denominator. 119 and 500, we cannot convert them further into any lowest term, because 119 is divisible by 7 and 17, as 17 sevens are 119, and 500 is divisible by none of these numbers. So this is our final answer, option number A. Question number 52 says there were 500 eggs in a box. 3 by 25 of them broke, and 1 by 5 of total, remember 1 by 5 of total, are to be kept for the guest. The number of eggs which can be used. So there are total 500. Out of this, 3 upon 25 broke. So 3 upon 25, let's find out. 3 upon 25 is how many eggs actually, fraction 3 upon 25. So let's find out 3 upon 25 is how many eggs. So let's find out 3 upon 25 of 500. And again they say that 1 by 5 of the total. ये remaining में से नहीं लेना है. 3 by 25 जो टूट गए उसमें से नहीं लेना है, total में से लेना है. So that is again another 1 by 5 of total. Total is 500. So these first one they broke, and the second one are for guests. Let's find out the answer. Divide them. This is 25 and 50 you divide. That's 25 2s are 50 and place a 0. 3 into 20 हम करेंगे. This is 60. 5 and 500 you divide. This is 100. So 60 eggs are broken and 100 are kept for guests. So total 160 are the eggs which cannot be used. So how many are used? Subtract कर लेंगे 500 में से. Answer is 340. Answer is option number C. तो 3 by 25 टूट गए थे और 1 by 5 टोटल में से हमें गैस. तो इसमें एक कन्फ्यूजन बच्चों को हो सकता है कि 3 by 25 एग्स मतलब 60 हटाने के बाद 1 by 5 लेना है. तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने टोटल लिख के दिया है, तो इसका मतलब हमें 500 में से ही 1 by 5 लेना है. अगर आप 3 by 25 एग्स और उसमें से माइनस करके, जैसे 500 में से 60 माइनस करने के बाद जो 3 by 25 है उसका 1 by 5 निकालेंगे, आपका आंसर रॉन्ग आ जाएगा. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Question number 53. The length of fifth side of pentagon with perimeter 80 centimeter and sum of length of whose four side is 63 is. Question is simple. It's just they have used a lot of words. Going through this question from the basics, this is a pentagon, and they say that perimeter, which is sum of all sides, here 5, so sum of 5 sides they say is 80, and these are the 5 sides, and they say the sum of 4 sides, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, sum of these 4 sides that they say is 63 centimeter. So if sum of these 4 sides are 63 centimeter, then they are asking what should be the fifth side, so that the total perimeter, perimeter मतलब sum of sides हो गया, तो सारे sides का total 80 दिया हुआ है, 4 का 63 दिया तो फिफ्थ पूछ लिया. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आंसर इज 17 बिकॉज 63 में 17 ऐड हो जाएगा तो टोटल 80 आ जाएगा. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Question number 54, a very basic question on time. A train left Delhi for Jaipur at 10:45 a.m. in the morning and reached Jaipur at 3:30 p.m. The time of the journey. Seemingly a very easy question. 10:45 to 3:30. Now 10:45 to 2:45. This will be exactly 4 hours, and 2:45 to 3:30 is 45 minutes. Final answer is 4 hour 45 minutes. Answer will be option number B. Question number 55. A fruit seller bought apples for rupees 1,500 and spent rupees 100 in bringing the apples to his shop. He sold these apples for a total of 2,236. How much profit did he earn? So here in this question they say that purchase the apple. Purchase means cost price of the apple is rupees 1,500. And after that there is a transporting cost of 100 rupees. So in such cases you will have to take the total cost price, which is 1,600, and after that the selling price is rupees 2,236. The question is asking the profit. Profit we know is SP minus CP, and here we see that SP is greater than CP, so it is a case of profit, which we will get by subtracting 2,236 and 1,600. That will give us 6 and 3 at the end. This is 22 and this is 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. So our answer is a profit of 636, option B. Otherwise you could have also gone just by subtracting the ones place. That would have straight away give the answer as 6, and without any further calculation you could have marked your answer and move ahead. Question number 56. The missing number in the given expression 58,394 minus 86 equals blank multiplied by 86. So let us approach this question. The expression is 58,394 minus 86 equals blank multiplied by 86. Now either you can go by the longer approach जहाँ पर माइनस माइनस करके इनटू है, इसको आप राइट से लेफ्ट ले लीजिए, डिवाइड हो जाएगा, और pay attention to the very unique approach. We can go by ones place method. Why? Because options आप देखिए तो सभी options के ones place यहाँ पर 7 है, यहाँ ones place 8 है, यहाँ ones place 0 है, और यहाँ ones place 1 है. So these are the 4 different options. So let us go by ones place. 58,394 ones place is 4. 86 ones place is 6. Again 86 ones place is 6. This is our answer. इसके ones place को हम x ले लेते हैं, multiplied by 86 ones place is 6. अब 4 में से 6 कैसे माइनस करें? वेरी सिंपल, 4 को 14 बना दीजिए. 14 माइनस 6 ये हो गया 8. 8 minus 6 equals x into 6. Now 8 minus 6 is 2 equals x multiplied. अब यहाँ से समझिएगा, हमारा x एक ऐसा नंबर है जो जब 6 में मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो आंसर का वंस प्लेस 2 आ जाएगा. तो x की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है? x की वैल्यू या तो 2 हो सकती है, क्योंकि 6 into 2 होता है 12. तो 1 प्लेस 2 आता है, या फिर x की वैल्यू हो सकती है 7 क्योंकि 6 इंटू 7 आता है 42, तो जो हमें 1 प्लेस 2, तो हमें 1 प्लेस 2 देने वाले दो नंबर हैं, एक तो 2 है क्योंकि 2 6 जा 12 होता है और 6 7 जा 42 होता है। ऐसे केस में हमारे आंसर का 1 प्लेस या तो 7 या तो 2 हो सकता है। ऑप्शन देखिए 7 हमारा आंसर आ गया। विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग यू विल क्रैक द कंपटीशन, यू विल किल द कंपटीशन। बाकी के लोग माइनस माइनस कर रहे हैं, उसमें एरर के चांसेस भी है। नाउ लेट अस सी द लॉन्गर मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56, the missing number in the given expression 58,394 minus 86 equals blank multiplied by 86. So let us subtract this 58,394. now अभी एक छोटी सी बात, -86 तो माइनस और माइनस ये दोनों आपस में प्लस हो जाएंगे। तो व्हेन यू विल ऐड दीज टू, माइनस और माइनस जब आप इनको ऐड करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 172. So let us, rather than subtracting 86 two times, let us subtract 172. That will give us 2. That will be 2. That will be 2, 8 and 5. So now I have 58,222 equals blank multiplied by 86. So now I'll take this 86 from right side to left side, ये divide multiply से divide हो जाएगा, and here I'll get the value of x. 58,222 upon 86 equals x. Let's divide it. 58,222, पहले तो आप इसे 2 से कट कर लीजिए, ये हो गया 43 जो कि प्राइम नंबर है। दिस इज 2 2 ज़ा 4, कैरी 1, 2 9 ज़ा 18, 1 1 1, तो ये आ गया 29111 अपॉन 43 equals x. Let us now divide 29111 by 43. Now this is 43, ये 4 है, ये 29 है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हम इसे 6 टाइम्स लेंगे। 43 6 जा, this is 8, this is 25, 258 माइनस करेंगे, this is 3, this is 3. Let's take the 1 down. 43 7 जा 301, subtracting, this is 0, this is 3. Take the 1 down. 43 7 जा 301. So again my division is complete, and this will give me the final answer as 677. तो वो हमारा आंसर सेम आ रहा है लॉन्ग मेथड से भी, पर आपको ये लॉन्ग मेथड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आपके पास 1 प्लेस मेथड है, इजीली आप अपना आंसर निकालेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 says a shopkeeper bought a wall clock for ₹200 and sold it at a profit of 40. What is the selling price? Now selling price we know is CP plus profit. Seemingly a very easy question. Cost price is 200, bought किया है मतलब cost price है, profit है 40, आंसर आ जाएगा 240. Jawahar Navodaya has never given such easy questions. Answer is option C. Question number 58. The sum of all interior angles of a rectangle. Now talking about the rectangle, it is a 4-sided polygon, and in a 4-sided polygon, also called quadrilateral, the sum of all the angles is 360. Moreover, rectangle also we know that every interior angle is 90. So if every angle is 90, then all the interior angles will be 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, which is 4 times 90. Answer is 360. We have covered this question in the geometry video. Answer is option A. Moving on to question number 59. In a survey of 115 families, the number of children in each family was recorded and the data has been represented by the bar graph. From the bar graph, the number of families having no child is. So they are asking that they have represented the data in which it shows that how many children are there in each family, and then they have represented. If you want to understand this, then it will be, so there are number of families on this y-axis and number of children in the x-axis. The first it says how many have one child. You can see that this bar is coming till 20. So there are 20 families, they have only one child. So there are 30 families having two. There are 35 families having 3 children, and there are 5 families having 4 children. So they are asking how many families have no children. So for that, what you do is the total family is 115, and out of which these families are those families which have 1, 2, 3 और 4. तो हम इन सभी को प्लस कर लेंगे, क्योंकि ये वो फैमिलीज है जिनमें कोई ना कोई चाइल्ड तो है, चाहे 1 है या 2 है या 3 है या 4 है, और हम इसे माइनस कर देंगे टोटल नंबर फैमिली से, सो दैट वी विल गेट द फैमिलीज विच हैव नो चिल्ड्रन. So let's add these. This is 20 plus 30 plus 35 plus 5. This is 50 plus 40. So this is 90 actually. So 90s are families having children. It can be 1, 2, 3 or 4. I'll write children or child. You understand? Children की बारे में बात है, क्योंकि 1 है तो children नहीं बोलेंगे. और अब आप इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लीजिए. So 115 minus 90, answer is 25. So there are 25 families which have no children. Answer is option C. 60. A complete angle is equal to. A complete angle means 360 degree equals to one right angle is 90, two right angle is 90 plus 90, 180, three right angle is 3 times 90, that's 270. Our answer is option 4. That's 4 right angle, 90 into 4, that is the answer, 360 degree. Option number D. All the questions were very easy. Expect the cutoff to be skyrocketed this time, because up till now intelligence and mathematics 100% of the questions were very, I'll not say easy, they are easier than easy. Starting with the English session, this is passage 1. And we don't go to the passage, we go to the questions first, and we mark the keywords. 61. Why is it difficult to take care of giant panda in a zoo? So the keywords for this question number 61 is difficult care of giant panda in zoo. So just underline the keywords which will help us when we will read the passage. Let's go through the options too. The zoo is a crowded place. It is difficult to take care of the young ones in zoo. It is difficult to find enough food to feed them. pandas are afraid of hunters. So when we'll read the passage, we'll try to find out the answer. Question number 62. What is the staple food of giant panda? Let's write down here. Staple means regular food. Staple food or regular food of giant panda. That's the second question. Question number 63. Why is this exotic animal nearing extinction? So the keyword is why near to extinction. Question number 64. Which of the following word is antonym of giant that we can give the answer right away as tiny? No need of going to the passage, because the opposite of giant will be, giant means very big, enormous. Antonym will be tiny. Next is zoo is a place where birds are kept in cages, animals eat and take rest, children go to entertain animals, animals and birds are kept in enclosures and cages. Let us go ahead and check. We have to check all four options. So basically here we have to check what kind of place is zoo. Let us start reading the passage. Today, giant pandas are found only in the bamboo forest of central China and in small numbers in Tibet. Bamboo forest. So here I am not getting any of the question answers. Let's move ahead. Bamboo forests provide them food, shelter, as well as safety. Giant pandas spend most of their time wandering in the bamboo forest. They chew bamboo shoots. As they feed only on bamboo shoots, and that too in huge quantities, there isn't always enough food for them. So this gives the answer to the question that what is the staple food. 62 answer is bamboo shoots, and 61 answer is they require enough food or food in more quantity. Due to excessive hunting and destruction of their natural habitat, these exotic animals are nearing extinction. So this is giving the answer of question number 63. Excessive hunting and destruction of natural habitat. Destruction of natural habitat means we are destructing the bamboo forests. They can be seen only in zoos, where it is not an easy thing to take care of giant panda because it will be difficult to find food to feed them. Again, this confirms the answer of question number 61. Let's go ahead and mark the answer. Question number 61. Why it is difficult to take care? Answer is option C. It is difficult to find enough food to feed them. 62. So staple food, bamboo shoots. Why is this exotic animal nearing extinction? Due to excessive hunting and destruction of their natural habitat. 64 we have done. 65. Zoo is a place where birds are kept in cages. They are not talking about it. Animals eat and take rest. Children go to entertain. animals. Answer is option D looks close. Animals and birds are kept in enclosure and cages. Let us just check this once. Forests provide them food, shelter, safety. Giants spend most of the wandering shoots, feed only on bamboo shoots, too huge in quantity, excessive hunting. They can be seen only in zoos where it is not an easy thing to take care of pandas because it would be difficult to find food. So question number 65 directly is not mentioned. So animals eat and take rest will be in the forest. I'll go with the answer option D. Animals and birds are kept in enclosures and cages. That completes all the question. Very important to read the question first. Moving on to the second passage. Let's go to the question. 66. The dancing girl is caged behind thick glass because. So question number 66. A dancing girl caged behind thick glass. Let's move on to question number 67. The pendants are part of. Question number 68. We have to identify the correct statement. Her bangles are made of shell or thin metal. She wears a necklace made of ivory. We have to check whether these are correct or not. Bangles are made of shell or thin metal. I'll just take them here. Bangles made of shell or thin metal. So we have to verify whether they are true or not. And second is she wears a necklace made of ivory. Necklace made of ivory. We have to identify whether they are correct sentences or not. That's 68. 69. Which of the following is not a synonym of fearless? Now fearless means something which is valiant is a synonym, bold is a synonym, courageous is a synonym. Our answer is timid. Timid means shy or introvert, coward, darpoke. That is not a synonym. Rest all three are synonyms. So our answer will be here, option number A. We don't have to go to the passage for this. The word artifacts. Now artifacts are actually again not related to the passage. We can answer. These are the pieces of art made by man. It can be a sculpture or maybe a pottery. लकड़ी से कुछ बनाया आपने, मिट्टी से कुछ बनाया आपने, तो उन सभी को आर्टिफैक्ट्स कहा जाता है. So here also we can mark the answer directly as option B. आर्टिफैक्ट्स मतलब वस्तुएं जो हम अलग अलग बनाते हैं मिट्टी से या लकड़ी से या प्लास्टिक से, अलग अलग चीज़ें जो होती हैं ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Caged behind thick glass. The most famous dancer in the world cannot be missed in the National Museum, Delhi. The dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro is a rare artifact made of bronze. Our school textbook also communicate a wealth of our 5000 years heritage of art. तो ये एक आर्टिफैक्ट है, केज्ड बिहाइंड थिक ग्लास, डांसिंग गर्ल. और ये मोहनजोदारो के जो हिस्टोरिकल हेरिटेज है वहाँ से ये हमें मिला है. अ सीरीज ऑफ बैंगल्स ऑफ शेल, आइवरी और थिन मेटल अडॉन हर लेफ्ट अपर आर्म डाउन टू हर फिंगर्स. तो ये जो डॉल है, डांसिंग गर्ल है, इसने जो बैंगल्स पहने ये शेल के बने हुए हैं, थिन मेटल के या आइवरी के बने हुए हैं. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस यहाँ पर ट्रू हो जाता है. वो शेल, आइवरी और थिन मेटल के हैं. इट इज़ द मॉडर्न आर्ट विथ नेकलेस विथ 3 पेंडेंट्स bunched together and a few bangles above elbow and wrist on the right hand. तो यहाँ पर इन्होंने बताया कि नेकलेस आइवरी से बना हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ इसके बारे में मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ. नेकलेस में 3 पेंडेंट्स है, तो सेकंड वाला हमारा फॉल्स हो गया. अगेन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 का आंसर हमें मिल गया. पेंडेंट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ, तो पेंडेंट हमारे कहाँ पर है? नेकलेस में. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ नेकलेस. और क्वेश्चन 66 का भी हमें आंसर मिल गया. डांसिंग गर्ल केज्ड बिहाइंड अ थिक ग्लास. इट इज अ रेयर आर्टिफैक्ट. दिस पैसेज आई स्लाइटली, थोड़े से 1-2 क्वेश्चन इसमें डिफिकल्ट हैं, बट ऐसा मेजर कुछ नहीं है. सो विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ 66 का हमें आंसर मिल चुका है, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. '67 we have got the answer as option B. 68 first sentence is correct. Second is not correct. नेकलेस किसका बना हुआ है ये पैसेज में नहीं बताया हुआ. So our answer will be 1 is true but 2 is false. This is how we complete all the 5 questions. Let's move on to the third passage. Before the passage, let's go to the questions. Question number 71. Sonam went with her dash to a shop. So she went with whom? That we have to find out. 72. Sonam was attracted by the shiny dash cycle in the shops. Its colors are given. So cycle color will be our second question. Question number 73. Sonam's parents presented her the new and red cycle as birthday gift for her success in the exam because she liked it, because she did not have a cycle. So the reason for presenting the cycle. '74. Sonam showed her happiness. So how did she show her happiness? 75. The word amazed. Amazed means we know it's surprised, but we'll mark the final answer only after reading the passage. And how did she? 74 is how did she showed her happiness? Now let's read the passage and find out the answer. Sonam was staring at the new cycle on display at the shop. She was amazed to see the new shiny red cycle. We get the answer of this question 72. The cycle was red in color. Her father noticed it and said to her, "Come along, we need to get going." So her father is talking to Sonam. So basically she went with her father. That gives the answer to question number 71. Sonam had a last look at the cycle and followed her father. She went to bed thinking about the shiny red cycle. The next day she kept talking about the cycle to her friends in school. When she returned home, she noticed a new cycle parked near the gate. She screamed in joy, calling out to her mother. Her parents came out smiling and told her that it was her birthday gift. So the reason for present was birthday gift, and gave her the cycle. Sonam was delighted and hugged her parents. So how did she express her happiness? By hugging her parents happily. Here the word amazed, actually you can see Amazed here actually means surprising. Our answer to question number 71 is she went with her father. 72 is it's a red colored cycle. 73 as a birthday gift. 74 by hugging her parents. And amazed is surprised. That's all the questions are completed. Moving on to passage number 4. Let's move to the questions. Flowers are dash to us in many ways. So basically they're telling what are the benefits. Question number 77. Flowers are found in different shape, many colors, different colors and shapes. So again, it's not a very difficult question. How are flowers found? Let's go to question number 78. The practical uses of flowers. Let's move on to question number 79. Dash flowers are used to make medicines, so we can call them medicinal flowers. Finally, question number 80. The word impact. The word impact means actually, we need not go to the passage for that. Impact means its effect. So we can mark the answer B, but we'll still go ahead in the passage and confirm. Let's start reading the passage, and when we are reading the passage, we'll take care of the keywords written. Flowers are useful to us in many ways. So that gives us the answer. The benefits of flower, they are actually useful in many ways. That's written actually directly in the question. Flowers are dashed to us. And so straight away they have taken this sentence and framed a question. What is the reason behind it actually? What happens is when we start reading a passage, तो हमारा concentration आने में ही 2-3 लाइन्स निकल जाती हैं, इसलिए पहली लाइन पर इन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन बना दिया. So question number 76 answer is useful. Flowers come in different colors and shape. They are found in different colors. So again आपने देखा सेकेंड लाइन भी इन्होंने फिर से क्वेश्चन. इसका एक साइकोलॉजिकल रीज़न है. द रीज़न साइकोलॉजिकल रीज़न इज जब हम कोई पैसेज पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, और स्पेसिफिकली ये 4th पैसेज है, आपने ऑलरेडी 3 पैसेज पढ़ लिए हैं पहले, तो क्या होता है कि हमारा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बनने में ही हम 2-3 लाइन आगे निकल जाते हैं, जहाँ पे मीनिंग हम नहीं समझते, हम रीडिंग लगा लेते हैं, और वहीं पर 2-3 क्वेश्चंस 2-3 लाइन्स में ही हमें 1-2 क्वेश्चन छुपे मिल जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि पहले 2-3 लाइन्स आप फ्लो में पढ़ जाओगे बिना मीनिंग को समझे हुए. 4th और 5th लाइन से हमें एक्चुअली हम सेंस में आते हैं, उस पैसेज पे आते हैं, उस पैसेज की 100% अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे आते हैं. दे आर अ सिंबल ऑफ ब्यूटी. फ्लावर्स आर यूज्ड इन रिलीजियस वर्शिप. Bouquet of flowers are given to show love and appreciation. Flowers are strung as garland and used to adorn deities and honor celebrities. Flowers are arranged in ways to add beauty to our living environment. तो सारे इसके अलग अलग uses बताए हुए. Flowers have practical use too. They are used to make perfume, tea and cosmetic products. So practical use, question number 78 we get answer. Perfume, tea, cosmetic products. Certain flowers are used as medicine. In short, flowers are important because they have a positive impact on the body and on the mind. So there are flowers which are important. And they are used as medicines too. Let's move on to the questions. Flowers are, option B, useful to us in many ways. They are found in different colors and shapes. So question number 77 answer is C. Practical use of flowers are making tea, perfume and cosmetic products. Say all colorful, some and small. Actually answer will be some flowers are used to make medicine. It is mentioned here. Certain flowers means some flowers. And finally impact means its effect is in our mind and in our body is mentioned. So all the questions are completed. So you see how beneficial this technique, which we had mentioned and practiced a lot, underlining the keyword and then reading the passage, 100% of the time it gives the right answer.